Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening transaction F-02 and entering the company code, fiscal year, and posting period. This puts you in the correct context. Once done, fill the document header fields, document date, posting date, and document type. Make sure to select the correct currency and exchange rate if needed. You should also verify your authorization early and have G/L accounts, tax codes, and cost centers ready so you can post line items immediately. You now enter each line item, choose the G/L account, specify debit or credit, and enter the exact amount, then populate cost center, tax code, and assignment fields. Use the text and reference fields to document the rationale so others can audit the entry. If complex allocations are required, apply document splitting or distribution rules. Once all lines are present, click Simulate to reconcile debits and credits, and correct any mismatches before moving to final posting. You finish by running Simulate to confirm totals balance. If everything is correct, choose Post to record the document and note the SAP document number. If you need review, park the document for later completion. If adjusting, reverse or repost with proper reversal reason. Make sure to save any document numbers and add them to your supporting paperwork. If you encounter errors, review the specific message and fields immediately. Authorization, currency, tax code mismatches, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.